filling these egg cartons with seed starting mix. And within each of these little cells right here, I'm going to be starting lots of seeds. The first egg carton is going to hold all of my leafy greens. I'm going to cover them up with the seed starting soil, and in a few days they're going to sprout. Once they reach about 1 inch tall, I gently scoop them out, a method called pricking, and I put them in individual containers. 3 days later, my arugula has sprouted, and I'll show you how I prick them out. I'm going to go low tech with just a spoon. And just kind of scoop it out, and then just gently divide them. That's all that there is to it. I get stronger plants, stronger roots, and full trays of plants without any duds. There we go, I got a full tray of arugula. And don't forget, give it a little bit of fish poo water. I'll check back every day, and when the sprouts get about 1 inch tall, I'll prick them out into containers. I should get about 12 full trays of veggies.